This is a 2026 Ford F-150 Lightning, and today we're going to be tinting the windshield, front doors, back doors, and the back window in under an hour and a half. So let's get started. So the film that we're going to be putting on the back half of this F-150 is XPEL XR Plus 15%. Now keep in mind, a bunch of the new trucks and the new SUVs and everything, they come with these factory tinted windows. This is not an actual film. This is factory tinted glass. So this cannot be removed. We have to tint on top of this. So like I said, we're going to be putting a 15% film on top of the factory tinted windows. That's going to make this window meter at about 5% once it's all said and done. Factory tinted windows typically meter around 15 to 20%. I think the highest I've ever seen a meter is probably about 25-ish. I think these Fords run about 20%. So actually what I want to do is push out this clean soapy water. So we have the film on this window, all the soapy water is pushed out nice and good. What we're going to do, grab the tint meter, put it on this window, see what this one meters, put it on that window, see what that one meters, and see the difference between the two. So putting the tint meter on this window, I said it was going to meter close to 5. It actually meters right at 2%, which is actually a little bit darker than I thought. Pretty close. So factory tint with a 15% film, metering at 2%. Now let's see what this one meters. This one's metering at 23%. So technically speaking, what we're doing is putting a 15% window film on factory tinted 23% glass. And the final product meters at 2%. Every time, dude. The back window, by far the easiest window to tint on this entire vehicle. I'm sure you can tell on the video, there's 3 separate panes of glass, which means there's 3 separate patterns of window tint. To tint these 3 windows, I'm going to do the same 3 steps on all 3 panes. Going to spray them, clean them, squeegee off the dirty soapy water, spray it back down with my slip solution, and then at the same time install all 3 patterns, and then push out the clean soapy water. And then, I mean, it's really that easy. So it's only been about 45 minutes. We got the passenger side done, the back glass done, the driver rear window is done. All the windows we have to do left is the driver front window and the windshield. Keep in mind, everything goes a little bit quicker because we are using a computer cut pattern to tint these windows. So not hand cutting the windows, especially these front doors, saves a lot of time, which is why we're doing this Ford F-150 in an hour and a half. Also, another thing to help speed up this process, we pulled the bottom seals on all 4 windows, which allows us to use a technique called bottom loading. A couple benefits of that. 1, it lets you work a little bit quicker. 2, it lets you work a lot cleaner. Doing the bottom loading technique helps prevent any contaminations like dirt, hair, anything like that from getting inside the window film. So it's definitely recommended. Also keep in mind, in the future, I will do videos on how to remove the bottom seals on doors like these. I'll do videos on how to hand cut a window if you don't have a plotter. And just different videos on how to tint a window, how to clean a window, how to properly clean a window, how to shrink window film, you know, a bunch of tint tutorials. Eventually we'll get into PPF tutorials. I'm sure you could tell why it's called the bottom loading technique. Obviously I put the bottom in first, kind of shimmy it down, line up that top edge, push out the clean soapy water. This is a computer cut pattern for the Ford windshield that is right behind me. The plotter that we have over here cuts it out to precision. Like I said earlier, this is a nano-ceramic 70% film. So all we have to do is do the prep work on the outside. We have to shrink the film. Obviously, we don't need to cut it. Once the film is shrunk, we'll jump on the inside, spray it, scrub it, squeegee, install the film to the window. Then we'll be done. But instead of me talking you through the process, I'm just gonna let the B-roll do the talking. And just like that, this F-150 we wrapped up in a little under an hour and a half. We did 70% film on the windshield. Like I said, once it's on there, it's practically clear. The darkest legal on the front windows, 15% on top of the factory tint on the back half, which we already know meters at 2%. I know it's been a while since we've done YouTube videos like this, but we are back and I'm glad to be back. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on all social media, and I'm sure we'll be back here in about a couple weeks.